and welcome to my absolutely favorite resort. This is the Wilderness Lodge. It's a deluxe resort located a short boat ride away from the Magic Kingdom. Wait until you see this lobby. It is stunning. I'm going to turn the camera around and just walk you through slowly. Hopefully this camera focuses a little better. I know it's hard when it's backlit like this, but so absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna just turn around here and look up. It is gorgeous. At Christmas time, this lobby has the most amazing, ginormous Christmas tree you will ever see. I love this place. I don't know if it's because I'm from New Hampshire and it reminds me of the wilderness, the log cabins. So beautiful. You check in over here. This is the same resort as Copper Creek, so if you're staying at Copper Creek, you'll check in over there as well. Copper Creek is in the same building as the Wilderness Lodge. They're kind of half and half, so Copper Creek is one side, Wilderness Lodge is the other. They both offer a variety of rooms. I'm not quite sure what one we get to go see just yet, but that little bridge over there starts the stream that trickles down around by the pool. It's like this magical effect that looks like the waterfall is going into the pool and then into the lake. Of course, it's not actually doing that, but magic. Like, so there's my Mickey Travels people. I have to go join them, but oh my gosh, look at this lobby. It's amazing. If you've ever been out to the Grand Californian out at Disneyland in California, it has a very similar vibe to it. I think it's that rustic vibe. And on my right here is Whispering Canyon, where we're gonna eat lunch later, so maybe I'll show you some of that too. We'll see how it goes. So we're gonna split up, tour this amazing resort. Look at the details in the totem poles. The carving, look at that wood. It is so gorgeous. So tall. You can keep going up and up and up. That fireplace roaring. So pretty. Alright, let's go check out this place. Check out the resort. Here is Artist Point, that new Snow White dining. I have not done it yet at the time of recording, but it looks absolutely amazing. We walked in through the main lobby and we took a left. Now we're walking down the hallway. You can see, here are little flip-flops walking down the hall. You can see the Roaring Fork sign. Roaring Fork is their quick service restaurant. They have some tables inside as well as outside, and then up ahead are the doors that will lead out to the main pool area. There are two pools here. The main one does have a cool little water slide. I don't know how much you'll be able to see. And then there's like another one that's part of the Copper Creek, but out there is the water slide. Remember how I said the little bridge comes down, trickles down, comes down to this beautiful waterfall, and it continues down going under the bridge. Let's check this out. This legit is heaven. I think this is so beautiful. It's called Copper Creek Falls. This is so picturesque. And over there, those little stairs, you can walk up there and take some pictures. It's a great picture spot. The pool. See, if you take a picture up on that bridge, you get this in the background, and then see here, there's that water, and it looks like it's flowing into the pool. Kind of magical, not actually flowing into the pool. And this right here on my left is the main pool area. It's not a ginormous pool, but I love it. They have a little water slide in the rocks, so you feel like you're out in the wilderness. We're heading towards Geyser Point, Reunion Station, Salon by the Springs, and Cascade Cabins. I couldn't hear what we get to go check out, but any room we're gonna check out is gonna be amazing. They have a few tables and some chairs here, and if you can see off in the distance, there is like a little splash pad area for the kid, and then beyond that is the geyser, and it goes off every hour or every half hour, I think. Oh, it's kind of going off now, if you can kind of see in the background. So fun. 12:01, so maybe on the hour, because now it's noontime right now. We're walking down Geyser Point, which is kind of where we're walking towards, is this great restaurant on the water. It is considered a quick service restaurant. There is a drink refillable station over that way by the pool, and it's perfectly located in between the two pools. If you can see the drink refillable station over there, and then, yeah, see, he said once an hour the geyser goes off. And then, so Geyser Point, it's got a bar, lots of tables, it's covered. You can watch the electric water parade at night. Oh, I caught the end of it. So cool. What I love about this resort is the location. It is so close to the Magic Kingdom. Just beyond that geyser, if you see, there's a boat. You can take the boat to the Magic Kingdom. It's a nice, relaxing boat ride to and from the park. You're really close, yet you're far away. And I love that. So this resort, it being really close to the Magic Kingdom, is not as busy as the monorail resorts, which I do love. See, over there's another entrance to Geyser Point. I think it's just so nice to enjoy dinner there, grab a drink, look at Bay Lake. You can see the other side of the Contemporary if you keep walking that way. I'm gonna go join my group and meet you up in the room tour. We're almost to the cabin, but look at the theming. They have little footprints in the walkway. I love the gardens. And check out this, as we're walking to the cabins, there's a grill. So if you're here for an extended time with your family, you can chill out here, grill up your dinner, little trash, recycling. And then there's some grill rules, supplies. You can go pick up groceries at the grocery store or have them delivered. These cabins do have a full kitchen, so you don't have to, I don't know if I'd want to leave. I mean, I probably would because I love going to the parks, but these cabins are amazing. You're about to see why I'm so excited to show you guys. And we are entering the cabin almost towards the end, walking all the way. It is so quiet down here, so relaxing. I like the little bench so the kids can wait for their parents as you're getting ready. Look at this doorway with that beautiful window. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I want my house to look like this. The counter. Perfect spots. Let's check out. So as soon as you walk in, there is a bedroom right here with the bench. Look how pretty that is. Oh, and look at, they have a pull down bed with Chip and Dale. That is adorable. Looks like under this bench there's a ton of storage. You can bring all your things. You don't have to leave anything at home. There's another closet. Doot. I love these doors. This smells like new still. I love it in here. And then out of that bedroom, we're gonna walk into this bedroom, which I wonder if this is like, is this like the master bedroom? Looks like, because that looks like a king bed. Big TV, closet, and then there's a door to the porch area, which we'll check that out in a minute. Side tables with your plugs. Oh my god, look at that bathroom. It's a dream. Hi everyone. And then another little side table with more storage. Seriously, there is a television in your bathroom, in the mirror. Like, you can be brushing your teeth, checking out what's going on at the park. How amazing is that? I mean, I'm like not even showing you guys. It's got 2 sinks, tons of storage. Look at that tub. Seriously, I would never want to leave here. This is gorgeous. Look at that shower head. That shower is huge. And then a closet for all of your things. Yes, isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. A desk, I mean, if you want to bring work here and do work, but you're on vacation. And then down here, there's another, what's in here? Ooh, another like half bathroom. Hi again. I love the wood details and little Mickey details, lots of shelves. And then here would be the other half of the bathroom. I love how they split up the bathroom So somebody can be in the shower, getting ready, brushing teeth. Somebody else can use the other facilities. I love the sinks and the counters, closets. Like, this is bigger than my house. This is so beautiful. I could live here too. I want my house to look like this. So as you're walking down the hallway, there's a couple more closets. And look at this room. It is gorgeous. We're gonna walk on the other side because it's a little backlit right now, so it's hard to see. But here is your full kitchen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people could be sitting at that table. We'll turn around so you can see the kitchen better. Full kitchen, stove, dishwasher, microwave, tons of storage. And in here, they will even have your, see, plates and stuff come too. They have a little dish soap if you're gonna even do dishes on vacation. Look at that fridge. So much room. I like how they have little drink spots too. I love this. A little stool. Like an ice drawer, and it's full of ice, ready to go. You get here, grab your drink, and then boom, put your Mickey bars in the freezer. Like, and you never have to leave. I'll be like, I am, oh, and a real coffee maker. I mean, I love the Keurigs, but I do love a good pot of coffee in the morning, because girl needs her coffee. Like, look at this. Living room, the beautiful inside-outside fireplace, another TV, and then I love the windows on either side. The details. Now we're gonna walk out to this porch because look what I see here, a little plunge pool. So we're gonna walk out to the porch. Look at, they got a picnic table for you to like hang out. And it's all screened in, so you don't have to worry about the bugs. And look at, you guys could be chilling out here in the evening when it's a little cooler, because even now in early April, it is a little cooler. With your adult beverage or whatever you made, or morning coffee by the fireplace. Yeah. Beautiful. And then the ceiling. I love it. Oh, and there is a ceiling fan up there keeping you cool. And then over there you can see that is Bay Lake Tower. The Contemporaries over there. And then I love the stone walkway out here. And then this is like totally safe to keep your kids safe. The gate lock, you got a little plunge pool. You could relax out here after a long day at the park. Your whole family. And then you could invite me for Thanksgiving here too. Like, I would be so fun. Let's see, like walk in, I love the floor. Like, this is beautiful. Walk around the kitchen.
This accommodates 8, so you have 3 in the front room, 2 in the master, and then 3 in this room. So obviously, there's 2 on the bed here, and then this pulls out as a
Okay, so I was kind of wrong. I thought 12 at first, but 8. Which makes sense because this table sits 8 for your cereal in the morning. Oh, automatic shades.
Stop.
Bang.
Oh my God. I've never seen that in action. That is pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that. Oh,
Gives you privacy and the sun won't be in your eyes. And look, it goes all the way up, like that beautiful ceiling I showed you. So now when you have the kids sleeping here, you can get them shaded in so the sun won't wake them up early in the morning. I think I would want to live here forever. This is my dream house. Say hi to all my Mickey Travels friends. I love this counter, like this little breakfast bar. Alright, we're gonna continue on with the tour. Thanks for checking this out. Alright, we're walking out back down the hallway where you saw the bedrooms and the bathroom. Bedroom, bathroom. Oh, I wanted to see. full closet, high chair, pack and play. And there is your washer and dryer. So you can do laundry while on vacation. But what I like about doing laundry on vacation, you go home with all clean clothes. You don't have to worry about the laundry when you get home. All right, we shall say goodbye to the cabin. It was really sad to say goodbye. I love it. So we're walking into one of the Copper Creek rooms. This,
Didn't I just say?
I love Copper Creek. This is like, love the cubby system. You have a bathroom over here.
Season veteran, season veteran. Yeah. She's like, hair flip, yeah, I got this.
One bedroom?
Yes.
This is a 1 bedroom. I believe it sleeps 4 or 5. We'll find out. The tub. Hey. Oh my gosh, look at that headboard. And then the
And that's what you guys are doing. Okay.
that beautiful window. King size bed. And then it looks, this one looks out to that Copper Creek pool. So you have a closet. So this is a 1 bedroom lockup. There's your closet. Ooh, little light turns on. So fun. Little desk area, you know, for doing work on vacation. Oh, and a slider door to the bathroom. And here you go, you can walk in one way. You can block this area off. So it's like 2 separate bathrooms if you need it to be. Then, you know, my favorite, the washer and dryer for vacation. Then up ahead looks like the little kitchen. I see some cupboards. And then there is the microwave, stove, sink. And then
All of a sudden,
the sink with the bench seat.
you could feel the heat was rising.
And then the pull-out sofa.
Looks nice.
And I like that. So this must sleep 4 in your pull-out sofa. And chair. 1 bedroom lockup, so that door would go into another room if you're gonna have a 2 bedroom. Your TV, your bureau, lots of storage. This is such a gorgeous room. Same kind of view out there at the Copper Creek. Let's see, pull out sofa with the phone, wall plug. And then we're gonna walk out of this room and check out the little kitchen area too.
No, I took my email all vacation.
Like all aboard. Dining menus, take along with the magic. Oh, then dishwasher. Oops. Alright, so here we are walking out.
No, I invited her. She doesn't remember seeing the email.
I love the cabinets, the sink, stove. Love it, thank you. Hi everyone, as you can see I am no longer at the Wilderness Lodge, sadly. I forgot to film a little outro, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me. This was kind of a long video, but I was so excited to show you that beautiful cabin that is like my dream house. I loved it. As well as the 1 bedroom. I love those details of the cubbies. I love that resort. The rooms I showed you are part of the Copper Creek Resort. And then on the other side of the building is the Wilderness Lodge building. The Wilderness Lodge rooms will sleep 4 in a standard, as well as Copper Creek standard room will sleep 4 too. If you have any other questions about the Wilderness Lodge or Copper Creek, send me an email. Link is down below. Thank you so much for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Put the little link up there. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.